Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start on a level surface. Lift the car with a jack and secure it on stands, then chock the wheels. Remove the wheel and spray the strut top and lower bolts with penetrating oil to reduce breakage. Inspect the spring and mount for cracks or rust. If the spring is damaged, replace it with the strut. Gather the spring compressor, breaker bar, sockets, and a torque wrench so you can move straight into disassembly without interruptions. You support the control arm or axle to keep suspension geometry steady. Use a jack under the arm. Loosen the lower mounting bolts first if access is tight, then the top mount nuts in the engine bay or trunk. Disconnect the sway bar link, brake line bracket, and any sensor wires so nothing binds. If you're replacing a strut, you must compress the spring safely before separating the strut shaft nut. Once compressed, unbolt the top, remove the lower bolts, and extract the assembly. You install the replacement shock or strut by positioning the assembly, hand-starting the top nuts, and aligning the lower mount before tightening. Torque all fasteners to the manufacturer's specs and reconnect the brake line, sway bar link, and any sensor wiring. If you used a spring compressor, release it slowly and evenly. Once lowered, torque the wheel lugs and perform a short test drive to confirm handling and noise. If you hear clunks or feel wandering,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.